Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver. Today we're gonna go with another session on binary options trading in the platform called Quotex. The link you can find in the description to this video, so make sure to check it out. Also, you can find the Telegram group where we post a lot of useful information about trading, about binary options itself, about indicators that we use, explaining how they work, and some of the signals that we share, and also the patterns reading, technical analysis. So if you're new to this stuff, it's very useful, so go ahead and join this group. It's in the description to this video. And guys, let's subscribe if you do like the content. Subscribe, like and comment, and we're gonna go straight with a video, so without wasting more time. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go and show you guys another indicator. We're gonna use zigzag today, zigzag indicator. And so basically the tactic with this, yeah, we're gonna go with the Bollinger as well. Don't change channel, and we're gonna go. That's it. So we're using two of the indicators today: don't change channel and stochastic oscillator, and the zigzag. Okay, so we open a trade with $1. We're gonna start with $1, and it's a call option. Okay, so basically what we see here is the indicators that are showing us. So the zigzag is basically, you can see it shows in a very simple way how the market is doing at the moment. And we see that the don't change channel is don't change. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it not correctly. It shows kind of in like a blocky way. As you can see, the indication here is that the block is complete. It's not starting to go down or anything. It still goes up. So we just had a profit, right? First profit. We have $2 on our account, on our balance now. Oh, see, now it started going even further up a little bit with the don't change channel, D channel, I'm gonna call it. Okay, so $2. That's tricky. I'm gonna check for another currency. Ooh, this is completely different picture, as you see. I mean, I do still have my stochastic there, which helps me a lot. I see that the price has been going down quite a bit, so now it starts to go up. So maybe it's a good point to go for a call option. So you see on a stochastic, basically it shows that the green line has crossed the orange line like a while ago, and it started going up. But still the price has been like a long time in the overbought position here, because when the price lowers, people start buying selling. A lot of people start selling, panic selling, and a lot of people start buying off to make some money, the investors that understand. But basically here it's getting oversold by people because they panic more. And so see, we just had a profit. So in this case, the stochastic shows us that I'm gonna go and place $3 there. Stochastic was showing that it was going back down. It spent a long time, and I'm gonna go for another currency because the other one is pretty crazy. It spent almost all few hours in like a in the downtrend, so this is a bit better. So this is still going up. The stochastic shows, I mean, yeah, it's gonna go up for now, but yeah, we're gonna go with the call option here because it's still going up. It's not gonna go down. And let's see the result. So we have the profit here. It's 5.61. So from $1 we made 5x already. So you see how the zigzag is actually moving there. So let's see. So right now this stochastic is a bit trickier. I'm gonna put here $6 and let's check out a different. Ooh, look at this one. That's actually not a bad one. Maybe we go with the put option here. I'm gonna go with the put option because again I also see a head and shoulders pattern there inversed. So yeah, guys, just make sure to check out the Telegram group to find out what am I talking about. The patterns, you know, the patterns kind of repeat themselves and they have sort of names, so you can check what each means and what are the indications of this pattern. Right now we have the indicators, we have like 3 indicators, but if you also know the patterns and what happens after those, because each pattern after follows another pattern. So basically, if you know all this stuff, it's easier, a lot easier, and just helps a lot in trading. We just had a profit, guys, 11.52. It's not much yet, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go with the $11 now, and I think I'm gonna go with another put option here. Let's have a look. $11. Let's check another one. This should be going up soon, like any minute. It should be like going up. It spent a couple hours there in this position. We're gonna go with the call option here, guys, because see, it spent quite a while in the downtrend, and also you see the zigzag line, it just stopped there. You see, it's just stopped at a point of 149.082, and then it continued flat. So right now the zigzag is about to change its position to go up, basically. And don't D-channel is just showing us the in which position is the market now. I mean, we already see it from the stochastic also, yeah, that it's in downtrend, but it's just visually it's a bit easier. We just had a profit here guys, $20.57. We're gonna put 20 and 21 even. Look, we have more. And then let's check another currency. Although I would put another call option here actually, guys. That's looking pretty good. Although it can change. It's very tricky with this. Yeah, we're gonna go with this currency here. Oh, that's a good one. Alright, so it was going down. That's a good one. That's a put option here, I think. Actually, let's see, it's a call option right now. Will it go up? That was a hasty decision. I just kind of went with my intuition. So sometimes because you know some information already from how it all works, the patterns, the indicators, and as I said, patterns repeat itself all the time, they repeat themselves. So somehow you build this intuition. There we go. That's going up. So you build this intuition which helps you make this hasty decision. It's all about the decisions in trading in general, investing. Businessmen, all the biggest businessmen are, they say that what's the difference between the rich people, the oh my god, we just had a profit, but it was so close, guys. $39 on our account, on our balance. So from $1 we made 38, almost $39 already. But it was this was really risky decision, you see. So it's all also the knowledge, and then your intuition, and then a bit of luck. If there's no luck, that could have gone wrong. So let's have a look at this. This is that's looking good actually. We're gonna go with a put option or call option here. And for 1 minute, a put option is good because it's not yet. So it just went into this area of downtrend. So it might spend a bit of time there. So yeah, there you go. Let's have a look. Let's wait. Guys, we just had a thing happen here. Is that the money just returned to us, luckily, because it didn't work out as well as I thought it should. So see, what sometimes this happens, and I'm gonna go with the put option here. See what happened is that the price, when the time finished, the price was exactly the same as when we made our option. And finally we have the profit now. $72.93 is the profit, and we're gonna go and this is I would probably go with a call option here, although this is really tricky. This one is really tricky. So I'm gonna go and put 73, and I'm gonna switch the currency because it's just not okay. This one's a bit crazy as well. Okay, so we have an indication here. So a call option, because I had some indication there of the stochastic. I've looked at the stochastic and it was going up, and as soon as I pressed it, it started going down. But hopefully this works out. It's only 1 minute. The price should not, go too far from where we are right now, and it just entered. It just entered into this area, so we're gonna wait and see. We have the profit, fellas, 135.05 cents. I'm gonna go with 135, and this is actually not a bad currency, but it's hard to say, like, it's not going. We're gonna change the currency. It's not going to ooh, this one's. Oh, actually here we can see a bit of the pattern. It should be going down, but not in a while. So we make a call option because the price is definitely gonna go down in a few minutes. but not yet. Just not yet. Looking at the zigzag, it's still going up. So yeah, let's see. Another profit to 152.45, guys. So this played out very nicely. It was also a tricky one. So today is really volatile. So let's see. 250. Should I be going here? I mean, I don't know, for 1 minute it can still go up, but let's check what happens with a different one. Oh, this one here. Look, this is building up now. So this is building up. We would probably go with the call option here. 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute could be too short, but hopefully okay. So basically here we have a situation where you see the zigzag is not formed yet, but it will be forming in a second. As soon as this candle goes up. So right now it's working as it should. So see, the price was down, then the green line crossed the orange line and it started going back up. Right now it's like on the verge. Will it go or will it not? We just had a profit 470, and this is really good. So basically here so now we have $473 of the profit, and let's have a look. Okay, this one, it's looking good actually. It's looking good, and I would go with probably a put option. Yeah, you see, when it goes up like this, it will drop. Like in the minute time frame, it will drop a little bit down, even if it's going back up after. We just had a profit of $869, guys. We started with $1, right? So this is pretty crazy. All right, the idea now is to see if we can okay, 850, and I'm gonna switch the currency. Can we make 1.5 grand now? Started with $1. I mean, the other day was crazy. We made from $1, we made a lot of money. So let's see if we can repeat that today. So it's been going up for a while here. So now if we're correct, like the minute time, it will drop down a little bit. The stochastic is really crazy there, but let's see. Oh, we just had profit, fellas, 1,589. So this worked out pretty well, and as I said, the price would be going down for a bit now, but it will go back up. You see the pattern, it goes down and then it goes back up. So we're gonna go now with 1,000, the maximum that you can place here, and we're gonna place it. I'm gonna check this one. That's not bad. So maybe we go with a call option here. Looking at the chart, it has a pattern. And it's going back up now. So we're gonna go with a call option for $1,000 now. We made this 1,000 with just $1. that was a profit, guys. 1,850. It's pretty good. And so what now? We have $2,462. We're gonna now be placing multiple options, and I'm gonna go with a call option here, double call option, because you see the zigzag, the price was going really going up, and then you see the little period of time there that's separated from the top, from the peak of the zigzag. That's our indication here that it will be dropping maybe. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh guys, 3.7. This was really great result. I thought it was really risky. Today is very volatile. All the currencies are like extremely volatile, so this was like a brilliant result. And now we're gonna place, we have a chance now to place 4 options. You see the price is going down. It just entered the medium area, so we're gonna see some downtrend for a bit. Okay, so that was unexpected. So we just got some of the money back because it didn't work out as we needed, and basically we had 4 on, so the 2 options did not make any money, just returned to us, and only one option, I think only one option did. So right here I have an indicator here. I've just placed 5 of the options, call options, because I had 5,000 plus, and the indication was the stochastic for me. The stochastic line, as you can see, is just crossing the orange line to go back up, and this was the indication. So let's see how that turns out. Wow, guys, we just had massive profit here because all of our 5 options played out. All of it played out. $10,252 made out of $1, some knowledge of technical analysis, some intuition build on that, on knowing the technical analysis, on knowing how indicators work, having, building this intuition, using the indicators and making that decision in the right time has paid off. As you can see, $10,252 out of $1. This is amazing result, I think, and I think you think so too. So yeah, make sure to join this group that I've been talking about, and it's just full of useful information. You can read it, you can learn there a lot of stuff, and then you make your own decisions. You need to in any investment, think about it as with cold head, not with hot head, because any investment involves risks, and you need to know that. You need to understand that. So never risk something you cannot afford to lose. This is number 1 rule. Yeah, so this has been a really great session, and I think it just demonstrates how you can use this knowledge that we give in this Telegram group, that I give here. This is basically my trading sessions, obviously, but on that, if you like the content, by the way, subscribe, like and comment, and on that knowledge, on this information that you receive, you build your own knowledge, your own decision making, intuition. So use it correctly, and also need a bit of luck. So good luck, I'll see you all next time, and goodbye.